Okay, we are going to consider how to use index function, match function, and choose function in Excel with respect to the information given below. So here is a table, okay, that has two information. It has three information. So we have the shipping zone, and here is the sizes. Why the values here are the prices, so it's the sizes of different products and their various shipping zones, and we are trying to do a cross-reference. So index function, actually we use it for cross-referencing, just like ith column and j column and ith row in a matrix. So this is like a matrix. So if you want to look up for the size of the first product with respect to the ship zone 1, so we can see the price is this, and then when you are looking up for the size of the product in row 1 and then column 3, so this is row 1, this is row 1, then column 3 is this, you see column 3, so the price is 4,177.35. so we make use of index function when you are doing a cross-referencing. So this is a cross-referencing of size, zones, shipping zones, and prices, and then we'll apply it in this place and then to find out what is the price. So here is a table of data, and we need to feed the prices, so with respect to this table. So the information is displayed there, but we need to fix it here. Here is, you know, the products, and here is different IDs. Here we have sizes, so you see sizes we have from 1 to 7, so sizes are from between the ranges of 1 to 7, and shipping zone are between the range of 1 to 5. So we have it here. So what would be the price if the size is 7 and then the ship zoning is 4? So here 7 and 4, it should be 7,209.11, and to do that we'll now say equal, so we use index, okay, so index, and then here the first thing we have here is the array, so we try to make a reference to the table. So this is the table array, okay, and then the next information we have is the row number. So what is the number of row we are looking at? So if you look at here now, we have row 7, so here this is row 7, sorry, we select here, and then okay, I've already given the name of the table, okay, so here select the table, okay, and then comma, then you have the row is 7 here, and then what is the column? The column is 4, you see here column 4, so we also click 4 here and then put enter. So here you see we have 7,209.11, so this and this, you have it here. So with this now we can easily populate. So in this place you just double click, so it will populate. So in here you have third row and fifth column, third row and fifth column, 10,993.50. okay, so that's how to use that. And this table here, we've already created it. I think in some of our previous video I showed you how to create this. If you want to create this, you have to check from here, okay, so you need to first of all check if there are some information here. If there are no information here, you can click F3 here. Sorry. Okay, so here if you click F3, you see we have rate table, so that's this rate table here, okay. So that is how to work on the index if you are working on index. And then the next one is the match function. For instance, we have IDs here and you want to match. Let's say you have 101 and then 59. So you need to check if the exact match of this ID is within this place. So you may have a given ID of a particular product, and then you want to find out whether the exact match is also in your table. So to do that, you use match. So match function in Excel. So under match, we are having a lookup value. So what is a lookup value? This is a lookup value, and then you put comma. So what is a lookup array? So here is a lookup array. So we have this as a lookup array. Okay, so then the next is comma. You use either less than. If you are using this, you discover that it will find the largest value that is less than or equal to the lookup value. Y0 will be the exact value, but if you are using the one that is greater, then you discover that it will also give us a different value, but the value will be greater than this lookup value. So in this context, we are using exact match, and then you close and hit enter. So here now you see that we have exact match of this, and it is in the position of this particular value is in the 10th position. So from this place you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So if you trace 10th position here, you can see we'll have it here at the 10th position. Okay, so from your column when you are reading, so you have it at the 10th position, 1059. And then for instance, if there are some values that you're looking for, and maybe the value is not here, there are some additional information you need to put in this context. For instance, let's say you look for a value and it is not there. What information do you want to output? So in case you put an information and it is not there, let's say here I put 150, and then you look, you see not applicable, so it's not here, but I don't want to show this. So what I have to do here is I need to now put some conditional statement. I need to say if error, and then if error. So this value here is the truth value already, our conditional statement, and then the next is what information do we put as the error. So I can just put here not found, now close and hit enter. So not found, you see. So if I look for a particular data and it is not within the table, so the output I want to see there is not found. So it means that this 10150 is not found in this place. If you check here, we don't have anything like that. So if I put also 9 and hit enter, I have it at the 10th position. So that's how to also use this match function in Excel. Then the last one we have here is how to use this choose function in Excel. To use this choose function, here we have date of different different dates that are given in our table, and we want to identify which quarter these dates belongs to. So here we have February. In quarter you have first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter, and then February has to fall within first quarter, and then May has to fall within second quarter. Okay, so there are 4 quarters. You need to bear that in mind. To do that, we use choose. Okay, but if you don't want to use choose, you want to find the month it belongs to. First of all, you use month, and then the month function, and then the month function for this, and then you click enter. So you see February is month 2. If you double click here, May is month 5, and then July is month 7. So here now I can use my choose function for this. I'll say choose, okay, choose month, and then this value here, 4 quarters, first quarter, January, February, March falls within first quarter. So I'll say 1,1,1. So then the second quarter should be 2,2,2. The next quarter 3,3,3. The last quarter 4,4,4. So here it corresponds with the different quarters of the month. So month is 12, so this should be 12 in numbers: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So November falls within the fourth quarter, and then December fourth quarter, January to March is first quarter, April to June is second quarter, July to September is the third quarter. So here now, once I click this, I'll click enter. So you see February falls within first quarter, and if I double click here now, the information changes. So May falls within second quarter, July falls within third quarter, August third quarter, and then October fourth quarter, January here first quarter, and so on. So that's how to use choose function in Excel. So we have considered how to use index function, match function, and choose function. I hope you apply it in your own data set and see how it works, so as to give you a more better ways of finding solutions to your problems when you are working with Excel. Thank you for your